Hi, my name is Brenna. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Long Beach, California. I live with two roommates and we have a tabby cat named Tabitha. I'm actually from Sisters, Oregon. I was born in Texas, but I moved to Oregon when I was 9. And then I went to the University of Oregon and graduated with a major in human physiology and a minor in global health. I'm currently trying to go to PA school, so I'm taking this genetics course as a prereq for my science classes. I really love science, especially anatomy and physiology. My hobbies include going to the beach, taking care of my plants. My roommates and I got roller skates during quarantine, so we've been roller skating a lot. We are just now learning how to go backwards, and it's not too easy. What else? My favorite foods are Mexican food and Vietnamese food. I love going to Trader Joe's to go shopping. And what else? Oh, I have an older brother named Jarden. He's currently applying to med school as well. My dad was a vet, so that's kind of our inspiration for going into healthcare and science. Some fun facts about me. I have never been to Disneyland before, even though it's really close by. I have gone hunting for frogs in the Amazon rainforest, and I've swam with sharks. And what else? Hopefully I'll get into PA school this year. That's my big goal for 2020. I'm working right now as an ophthalmic technician for a retina specialist, and I really love that, so I'm pretty happy where I am right now. My other goals for this year probably just include going to the beach and as much as I can, and then also doing well in this class would be great. I also volunteer in my spare time, so I volunteer for a crisis text line, which is really fun and very satisfying. What else? I love to go shopping, and I love to go to eat at restaurants, but we clearly can't do that right now. And I really love to go to movie theaters. Something that's at the top of my bucket list would probably be to travel more. That's the goal, obviously, after quarantine. Okay, well, nice to meet everyone, and good luck in the course.